Good afternoon to each and everyone present here. Respected directors, sir, chief guests, teachers, and all my dear friends. It is my pleasure to introduce myself to you. I am Utkar Singh Sanger from class 8B, standing in front of you to deliver my speech on my topic, the culture of Bundelkhand. Bundelkhand is a trove of cultural richness with its own unique identity. The region's folk music like Viru Bhakti and Jhuman reflect the simplicity and beauty of its people. The traditional dances such as Rai and Kajri are performed during festivals and celebrations, showcasing the region's vibrant spirit. The people of Bundelkhand are well known for their hospitality and warm welcomes. The region's traditional attire such as the dhoti and sari is a testament to its rich cultural heritage. The land of Bundelkhand has been witness to epic tales from the Mahabharata and a valor of legendary figures like Rani Lakshmibai of Jhansi and Raja Chhatrasal, whose bravery continues to inspire generations. Our culture is deeply rooted in folk traditions where music and dance like the Bundeli Kathak, Rai and Loni reflect the region's history, everyday life and festivals. Festivals like Navratri, Diwali and Makar Sankranti are celebrated with great fervor. Our culture is deeply rooted in folk traditions where music and dance like the Bundeli Kathak reflect the region's vibrant spirit. The artistry of Bundelkhand is also visible in its intricate handicrafts like the famous Jardozi and the Chikan work. But Bundelkhand is not just about its patriotism, it is also a region with immense potential for growth and sustainable development. With its rich natural resources, Bundelkhand has the potential to become a hub for sustainable development, blending traditions with modernity. Bundelkhand is also home to numerous monuments, temples, and forts. From the valor of Rani Lakshmibai to folk dances and traditions, Bundelkhand's culture is full of life and spirit. The people here celebrate festivals with great enthusiasm and their handicrafts are truly amazing. Let's take pride in preserving and promoting this wonderful heritage. We should encourage our artists, learn our history, and share our tradition with the world. Now, I would like to deliver a poem on Rani Lakshmibai written by Subhadra Kumari Chauhan. हिल उठे सिंहासन राजवंशों ने द्रुपदी तानी थी, बूढ़े भारत में आई फिर से नई जवानी थी, चमक उठी संसत्ता वन में वह तलवार पुरानी थी, खूब लड़ी मर्दानी वह तो झांसी वाली रानी थी, खूब लड़ी मर्दानी वह तो झांसी वाली रानी थी। थैंक यू।